Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to install Office 2013 using your Office 365 subscription. Please note you must have a Business Premium or Enterprise E3 account to install Office 365 using this method. If you do not have a subscription, you can get a 30-day, 25-user free trial courtesy of Synesis IT. Simply go to our website, synesysit.com, click on Our Services. Under Office 365, select Subscription Pricing. Scroll down and click the Try Now button. Once the page loads, click Next and simply fill out the form to receive your free trial. Now that your Office 365 account is ready to use, simply go to office.com and click Sign in the top right corner. Type in the email address attached to your Microsoft account. Hit Next. Type in your password. And now click Install. Scroll down, and to install the 32-bit version, simply hit Install. The 32-bit software is recommended by Microsoft for most users. However, if you work with large files that require more memory, or alternately have a 64-bit version of a previous Office already installed, you may need to install the 64-bit version of Office 2013 for optimal results. To do this, simply hit Advanced, and in the drop-down select 64-bit, and then hit Install. Then you will simply hit Run, click Yes if asked, and simply wait for the program. Simply wait for it to load. It may take a few minutes. And then Office will start installing in the background. Hit Next. A tutorial will be shown. You can watch it if you like, otherwise hit Next. Continue, keep hitting Next. Select your theme. This will change the appearance of Office apps. It will ask you if you would like to see a quick introduction. This is up to you. I'm going to select No Thanks. Now simply wait. Please note that at this time you can use Office, however it is not fully set up and it's recommended to wait if possible. And we're all done. You should now have all your Microsoft software installed and working.